one day, Playboy was little, and he grew up to be a YouTuber, and now he's starting his own show. Hello everyone and welcome to the Play Button Show, where we have this guy, this one, and all the rest of the characters, including the star of the show, Play Button. Hi! So, here is a script for this. Yeah, and what's the script? Yeah, I want to know so badly that I can smell butter cookies. I want to know what's cooking. Well, we got the answer. Butterscotch cookies. Yeah! Yay! Hooray! Hooray! Now let's get baking. Alright, so the recipe is 2 butter, 1 butterscotch, jug of syrup, and 1 cookie. So, get 1 cookie. Alright, let's find some cookies. Oh, we baked these cookies. These were ages ago. Maybe we should make our own. I made some. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get that butterscotch. No, I mean butter. Okay. Where's butter? No. We can't find the butter. What? How can it be no butterscotch? Because we didn't brand them. What? Hold up. Maybe there's some in the freezer. Got them from the freezer. Now let's melt them. Now what are we supposed to do with the butterscotch? We just need to get some syrup for the next recipe. Okay? Then we can be done with it. Okay. So, where's the syrup? I found the syrup. Now let's bake them in the oven.
Go away.
Alright, so who's gonna bake it in the oven?
Mom, look,
Maybe I will.
Right now.
Alright, so let's bake them in the oven. Ten minutes later. They're done! Yay! Now we can potty. Alright, let's stop. Why do we need to stop? Because they're done. Let's eat them. Sorry if we didn't put a cookie, but that's our show. Thank you so much for watching our show. Please make sure to watch episode 2 will be coming when Halloween is out. Maybe. Goodbye.